Hey guys, welcome back to UltFone channel. As you all know, one of the greatest things about Android is the vast number of free apps and games available for download. However, things turn into total disappointment when you start facing the apps crashing on your device. When thinking about what's making your favorite apps crash, then reasons like low storage space, too many apps running simultaneously, a weak internet connection, or not having the proper app updates installed can be your cause. Thankfully, this common Android app problem has some quick fix solutions. And the first method to fix the apps crash issue on your Android device can be Method 1. Clear cache. Android apps can build up large caches based on usage. While Android is designed to manage this on its own, sometimes clearing cache data could drastically improve the performance of your phone as well as apps. You can clear the apps cache one by one from app storage, or you can get into Android recovery mode and clear the cache partition all at once. For that, switch off your phone first, and then hold down the volume up button and the power button together. If your Android has a Bixby or home button, then you must hold that down as well. In case this didn't help in getting into recovery mode, take a USB cable and connect your Android device to your computer. Then try again, holding down the buttons for a few seconds until you feel a vibration, and the Android logo appears on your device screen. Soon, the recovery menu will appear on your device. Use the volume up and the volume down button to navigate, and when the clear cache partition is highlighted, select it by pressing the power button. Confirm your action and reboot your device by the Reboot System Now option. Method 2. Expand your storage. Apps can sometimes crash when they don't have enough space to perform their tasks. Low storage space can cause phones to freeze and also drain your device battery. To solve this, open the setting on your Android and go to Device Storage. Tap on the Apps option from the list and delete any apps, photos, music, or other large files that you don't need anymore. Or you can move spacious third-party apps to your SD card. Method 3. Keep your apps updated. App developers keep pushing out updates to their apps. These updates contain bug fixes that should solve app crashing issues as well. As such, it is recommended to keep your apps updated. And for that, open the Play Store app on your device and tap on the profile or letter icon. Select the Manage Apps and Device option from the list, and hit on the updates available to see if there is any update available for the apps. Method 4. Keep Android OS up to date. When you're having a problem with your phone, install any available update and make sure your operating system is up to date. Go to Device Settings and select Software Update from the options. Tap on the download and install and see if there is any system update available. Method 5. Uninstall the faulty app. Some apps are poorly coded, release buggy updates, or are incompatible with certain phones or Android versions. Buggy apps can cause other apps to crash too, and removing such apps can help your situation. Now, if your Android apps keep crashing even after checking all these ways, it could be a problem with your Android operating system. And you will need a third-party tool to get it fixed. We recommend UltFone Android System Repair, a professional and trusted software that can solve more than 150 Android system issues easily and effectively. Moreover, this tool also offers a one-click way to enter Android recovery mode, fast boot mode as well as download mode on your Android phones. Now to know how it works, visit the UltFone official page on your window, and get into the Recovery and Repair tab. Click iOS System Repair and then hit Download to get the download started. Install it. And launch UltFone Android System Repair over your PC. Here, tap on the Repair Android System option from the main interface of the tool. And click on Repair Now. Choose your Android device information on the following screen. and once done, hit on the next. The tool will automatically start downloading a suitable firmware depending on the device you're using. After the download is done, click on the Repair Now button followed by hitting the Continue button, and the tool will then show the instructions to put your Android device in download mode. Follow the given instructions, or you can make use of the other feature of this tool, Enter Download Mode, a one-click way to put your device in download mode. Once the tool detects your device in download mode, the repairing process will start. After the Android system recovery process is completed successfully, your device will reboot and back to start running smoothly. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.